Let's go! There I was, in the space of a shadow, spotting my own world without ever knowing what love is like. We're all about it. You came, you put me out of a shell. You gave the world to me even before I knew that I was so in love with you. You give me a reason for my being and in love without feeling. You give me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you.